We're going to be hearing some rumbles of thunder now, but last night's storm left damage throughout central Virginia. At Sims Avenue and 26th Street in Richmond, a falling tree blocked part of the road. City officials say work crews are going to be around the city clearing debris throughout the entire weekend. And several cars got stuck in standing water at Bryce Lane and Hull Street Road. You're seeing some of it right there. People in the area say this water was up to their knees. Meteorologist Mike Goldberg is working for you and now joins us with a look at your forecast. Mike, some bad storms last night, but we're seeing a couple of them popping up again today, huh?
Yeah, definitely. Some folks are seeing bright sunshine right now. Others, it is pretty dark. And we look outside our station and we can see some of that darkness. A little bit of rain, some rumbles of thunder right here in town and to the west. There is some torrential rain moving north of the city right now. You can see the storm. This is the Diamond right on Boulevard looking northeast from our tower cam right now. And you can see that storm off in the distance. A lot of heavy rain up to the north of us. There it is up I-64 and 95 to the north and west of Richmond. We come in a little bit tighter and you can see that storm just on the north side of the city now as it has been moving to the northeast. The good news with this is the system is moving. Last night the problem was it was just raining over the same areas and it wasn't moving very much. But from Ginter Park up to Bryan Park, some pretty good downpours right now. You go a little farther north up 95 to Greentop and Ashland. The rain just on the fringes of Ashland right now and farther to the southeast along Atlee Road. Some pretty good downpours up towards Mechanicsville and out to Short Pump, Glen Allen, Windham. We're seeing some pretty heavy rain back down to the southwest. The rain is lightening up a little bit, so a steady rain, but that'll be coming to an end over the next couple of hours. 84 at the airport, but notice the effect of the rain dropping some temperatures into the 70s. Not everyone's going to see rain this evening, but when you get caught in one of these storms, pretty good downpour, and it will be warm and muggy overnight. We only drop down into the low and mid 70s.